Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix snipping tool WASAPI exclusive mode audio error in Windows 11. First method is remove all Bluetooth devices one by one. Second method is reset and repair snipping tool. Third method is change sound settings.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.